do my intro. Maybe I should just wait till the end to do my intro. But that's kind of backward. We'll just. This is already gonna be a choppy video, so why not? It is currently 3 in the morning. It's currently 3:11 in the morning. Why am I up? Well, you read the title already. So this is my first time doing knotless braids on myself. I didn't record the whole thing because 1, I didn't know how long this was gonna take, and 2, I didn't even know if I was gonna end up being able to do them correctly, and so far as I did. Tired isn't even the word, and then the mess that is. So that's on my bed over there. That is a package from Amazon that I got this braiding hair from. I did not go to my local beauty supply store to get this hair. I just ordered it off Amazon because... And what's across from me, we're not even going to talk about because... Just not. In conclusion, there's hair on the floor. That's all that you need to know. And it's already 3 in the morning, so I'm just feeling like... I was like, you know what, why not? We already... So I'm gonna show you what the back looks like. This is what the back part of my hair looks like. But I'm gonna show you how to do this once I get to this top braid. I'm gonna fast forward through this bottom section for time's sake. You're gonna get your leave-in conditioner. I'm using African Pride. You already know this. And the links to all these products will be down below in the description box. Put it on that section. After you've applied the leave-in conditioner and detangled, you're gonna take your gel or edge control. I'm using this Shine Jam. You're just gonna put it on the perimeter. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but put it on the perimeter of your hair, and also I try to focus it on the perimeter and also the top part, so this part of my hair. Split your hair in 3 sections. I initially start mine. I do it one time. Take this over. I'm gonna grab your piece of braiding hair. Then you want to take another piece of hair and add it up under. And then from that point, you just braid down. Only use 2 pieces of hair for each section. That's pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna show y'all again. It is now 4:12, so I finished at 4:12. Now we're about to dip these ends, but I'm gonna do that off camera, and then when I get back, it will pretty much be the finishing up of this video. So I'm back from downstairs, from dipping my ends. This is what the hair looks like with the ends dipped. pretty much same thing. I'm sure I'll cut the excess stuff off. So now that my ends are dipped, hold on, let me sip some juice. Gotta go in with the mousse, obviously. After that, I promise you it's only one more step. Then you're gonna do your edges before you put your do-rag on. Of course, I use Edge Booster as always. That I didn't do nothing too crazy. I just kept it a simple swoosh swoosh situation. So yeah, that's how you do knotless braids. I hope you enjoyed my little situation. I'm going to bed at 4:36 in the morning. Anywho, let me put on my do-rag. Should I put on my red one or should I just leave it the black one? I've already had an eventful day. We're only 4 hours in. I can't take no nap because I got schoolwork to do. Don't we love it? Don't we love it? Just gonna put your do-rag on. And then you put on your bonnet, and that's it. Here's my eyebrow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This has been a long day, and I'm tired. Yeah, I just